This will be yet another video on proofs. The two proofs we will be talking about today are contradiction and induction. Contradiction is that if you assume not P is false, the conclusion must be that P is true. Induction is a proof where you prove the base case n equals 0 works, then you prove that the nth plus 1 case works. Our first proof is through contradiction. The proof is that the number square root of 2 is not rational. So we will try to prove that the square root of 2 is rational. So if square root of 2 is rational, it can be expressed as follows. Square root of 2 is equal to m over n, where m and n are part of all integers, and n is not equal to 0. So 2 is equal to m over n squared. 2n squared is equal to m squared. Now, since 2n squared is even, m squared must be even. Because no odd integer squared is even, it must be even. Since m is even, it can be expressed as m is equal to 2k, where k is part of all integers. So 2n squared is equal to 2k squared. 2n squared is equal to 4k squared. N squared equals 2k squared. By the same reasoning above, n must also be even. If both m and n are even, m over n is not its simplest form. Thus, square root of 2 is not rational, which is a contradiction. Therefore, square root of 2 is not rational. Our next proof is proof by induction. We're going to prove that for every number n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 is equal to the summation from k equals 1 to n of k squared. Now we have to prove our base case, which is n equals 1. So 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2 times 1 plus 1 over 6 is equal to 1 squared, which is true because 6 over 6 is indeed equal to 1. Now we have to assume that for some natural number x, the statement above holds true. So we have x times x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 over 6 equals the summation from k equals 1 to n of k squared. Now we have to prove for x plus 1, i.e. the summation of k squared plus x plus 1 squared is equal to x times x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 over 6 plus x plus 1 squared. So if we multiply the x plus 1 squared by 6 over 6, we get x times x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 6 times x plus 1 squared over 6. From this, we can factor out an x plus 1. So we get x plus 1 times x times 2x plus 1 plus 6 times x plus 1 over 6. This can be turned into x plus 1 times 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 over 6, which is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 2 times 2x plus 3 over 6. Then, if you FOIL this, you get x plus 1 times x plus 1 plus 1 times 2 times x plus 1 plus 1 over 6. Which may look confusing, but if you'll notice back to the original equation, all this did was replace all the x's with x plus 1's, which is what we were looking for. So we can say that by the process of mathematical induction, 2 times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6 is equal to the summation of k squared as k goes from 1 to n for any natural number.